Number 1. Explain to yourself in your own words what are the key takeaways from the video. So one of the main things I learned from the video entitled What Control System Engineers Do, Control Systems in Practice, is that control system engineers do more than just design controllers. Their job actually involves several responsibilities such as developing concepts, analyzing problems, modeling and simulating system, and even helping define the technical requirements of a project. So the video explained that the work of a control system engineer can be divided into 3 main stages. The first stage is that of concept formulation. In this stage, the engineer tries to understand the needs of the client and translate them into a workable system. This includes simplifying the problem, balancing the desired performance with the cost of the product, and identifying the possible constraints. Engineers also describe how the system should behave, what resources are needed, and what the overall goal of the system is. The second stage is the development stage. Here, control system engineers design, build, and test different parts of the system. The video highlighted the use of a model-based design, where engineers create a model of the system before actually building the real one. These models help simulate how the system will behave, and at this stage, control engineers also often work closely with the software engineers because many modern control systems are implemented through software. And lastly, the final stage is that of the test verification. According to the video, this stage can take a lot of time because the system needs to go through different processes such as inspection, analysis, demonstrations, and testing. So personally, I think that this is one of the most important stage because this is where engineers confirm whether the system actually meets the requirements and work as intended. Number 2. Was the video helpful in giving you more understanding of the subject? Why or why not? So overall, I do found the video very helpful because it gave me a clear idea of what control system engineers actually do in real-world projects. It showed that the field is not only about theory, but also solving real problems and working with different teams to create practical solutions. Lastly, as a future engineers, what are some interesting insights you did gain from this topic? So, as a future engineer, one insight is that I gained that the control engineering involves a lot of planning, teamwork, and testing. It made me realize that engineers must think carefully about how a system will behave before it is built, and they must continuously test and improve it to make sure it works properly. So that would be all.